I want to show you the back of this shelf. So you have a two place to hang the shelf. As you see, to start you have to put that on the wall and put the mark on the wall. Let me show you how. So after you make your position on the wall, you make the mark one here in this side, and you make the mark on the other side too, and you put your level here to make sure that one is level. After you make the mark, so I made the mark one here over there on the wall and was one here. So I want to show you the trick. Is easy. You just need the piece of paper. So I have the piece of paper. So this paper I know is advertisement, but it's exactly the same size as my shelf. So I'm gonna put that here. I'm gonna make the hole. I'm gonna touch and make the find the place we're gonna hang it. So it's right here. So I'm gonna make the hole one here, one the other side. So that's simple. You don't need to measure it or something crazy. Let me mark that. We put that one on the place. We make the mark on the wall, so it was right here, as you see. So I put this corner here, another corner I mark it here. As you see, I made two mark, one here and one there. So these two is the place I have to make the hole. There you go. I just put that two screw over there and then hang this. So I just put the two temporary screw, so to make sure I'm in the right position. So I'm going to take this off. As you see, it's just the two screw, so I know I'm in the right place. So I'm going to use the anchors to secure that. So I'm going to use these plastic anchors. It's very easy. You just put that in your drill and just drill it to the wall. I just installed that, so it's look perfect and level. So everyone can do that with the piece of paper. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe my channel. I will show you how to fix a problem around your home. Have a good day.